Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hi there, this is Pritam, and in this video I'm going to show you the app to make green screen like this. So let's get started. First of all, make a video in which you want to put a green screen background. For an example, I have made this video. Now there's an app called AI Green Screen which is under development and is unreleased app. Now after opening this app, tap on pick video from gallery and choose the video in which you want to put a green screen background. This app takes a bit time to work. After this app has done its work, tap on tile object or tile background. Now you can choose between the modes for detecting people or any other thing. Tap on detect people. Now at the top of the screen you will see there a sign of video decoding or something like that. Tap on that to save your video. Choose the frame rate which you want and tap start render. After this video has been saved, it will look something like this. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.